Welcome to Beautyistic, your go-to channel for in-depth beauty and wellness product reviews. Today we're exploring the Earthlite Bodyworker's Choice Massage Table Warmer, a product designed to elevate your massage experience by providing soothing warmth and comfort. The Earthlite Bodyworker's Choice Massage Table Warmer is a professional-grade heating pad measuring 30 inches by 71 inches, ensuring full coverage for standard massage tables. It features 3 adjustable heat settings, allowing you to customize the temperature up to 128 degrees Fahrenheit to suit individual client preferences. The warmer is lined with cozy felt for added comfort and is equipped with elastic corner straps to secure it firmly in place during sessions. A generous 13-foot power cord offers flexibility in positioning your table relative to power outlets. Setting up the warmer is straightforward. Simply lay it over your massage table, secure the elastic straps around the corners, plug it in, and select your desired heat setting. The controls are intuitive, making it easy to adjust the temperature as needed. In practice, the warmer heats evenly, creating a comfortable environment that enhances relaxation during treatments. In terms of performance, the Earthlite warmer excels in maintaining consistent heat throughout the session. Clients have reported feeling more at ease, which contributes to a more effective massage experience. The felt lining adds a layer of softness, enhancing overall comfort. Pros of this product include its generous size, ensuring comprehensive coverage, and the convenience of 3 heat settings for personalized comfort. The long power cord is a practical feature, providing ample reach to outlets. Additionally, Earthlite's reputation as a leading brand in massage equipment since 1987 adds a layer of trust in the product's quality. However, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. Some users have noted that the control switch emits a loud clicking sound when adjusting settings, which could be slightly disruptive in a tranquil environment. Additionally, while the warmer is effective, it lacks advanced features like digital temperature displays or automatic shutoff timers found in some higher-end models. Comparatively, the Earthlite Bodyworker's Choice offers reliable performance at a reasonable price point. While there are more feature-rich warmers available, they often come at a higher cost. For instance, the Earthlite DLX Digital Fleece Massage Table Warmer includes digital controls and additional settings, but is priced higher. If you're seeking a basic, dependable warmer without extra frills, the Bodyworker's Choice is a solid option. Considering its build quality, the materials used are durable, and the construction feels robust. The elastic straps hold the warmer securely, preventing any shifting during use. The felt lining not only adds comfort, but also appears to be of high quality, suggesting good longevity with proper care. User-friendliness is another strong point. The simple control interface allows for easy operation, even for those not technologically inclined. The warmer's design ensures it stays in place, minimizing the need for adjustments during sessions. While specific information about Earthlite's customer support isn't detailed here, the company offers a 1-year replacement guarantee, indicating confidence in their product and a commitment to customer satisfaction. In real-world use, the warmer has been tested in various settings, from professional massage studios to home therapy sessions. Across these scenarios, it has consistently provided reliable warmth, contributing to a more relaxing and effective massage experience. As of now, there haven't been significant updates or changes to the product since its initial release. It continues to serve its intended purpose effectively without the need for firmware or software updates. In conclusion, the Earthlite Bodyworker's Choice Massage Table Warmer is a dependable and user-friendly option for both professionals and home users seeking to enhance their massage sessions with comforting warmth. Its straightforward design, combined with Earthlite's established reputation, makes it a worthwhile investment for those prioritizing comfort and simplicity over advanced features. This product is particularly well-suited for massage therapists, spa owners, and individuals who regularly receive massages at home. Its ease of use and effective performance cater to both beginners and seasoned professionals in the wellness industry. Regarding longevity, users have reported satisfaction with the product's durability over extended periods. With proper care, the warmer maintains its functionality and comfort, making it a reliable addition to your massage equipment. If you're finding this review helpful, consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Your support helps us continue bringing you honest and insightful reviews. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in purchasing the Earthlite Bodyworker's Choice Massage Table Warmer, you'll find the link in the comments box below. Feel free to ask any questions about the product or share your experiences if you already own it. We'd love to hear your thoughts.